आज रामचा वाढदिवस करेक्ट आणि घरी हाय कोण बोंबलायला
करेक्ट.
हे करेक्ट नाही.
अगं बाया बाया बाया, हा इंग्रजी आणि तुम्ही खावा दर ना.
The Marathi entertainment industry is in mourning. Veteran actress Jyoti Chandekar has passed away. She was 68 years old. Chandekar breathed her last on Saturday, August 16th, after a long battle with illness. She had been undergoing treatment in Pune for age-related health issues. Her daughter, actress Tejaswini Pandit, confirmed the heartbreaking news on social media. Sharing a photo of her mother, she wrote that it was with great sorrow she had to inform fans of her mother's passing. She also revealed that the last rites will be held on August 17th at 11 in the morning. Jyoti Chandekar was a familiar and beloved face in Marathi households. Audiences knew her best as Purna Aji in the popular television serial Tharla Ta Mag. Her warmth, her sincerity, and her powerful performances made her one of the most respected senior actresses in Marathi television. Tributes have poured in since the news broke. The makers of Bharla Deher mug remembered her as Sabki Purna Aji and shared a heartfelt message in her memory. Fans, co-stars, and colleagues have taken to social media to honor her, recalling both her talent and her kindness. Her contribution to cinema was equally memorable. She shared the screen with her daughter, Tejaswini Pandit, in the national award-winning film Ticha Umbartha, directed by Deepthi Ghunsikar. In that film, Chandekar played her daughter's mother-in-law, and their moving performances together were widely praised. With her passing, the Marathi industry has lost one of its most cherished senior artists. Her legacy will be remembered not only through her roles, but through the love and respect she inspired in colleagues and audiences alike. Jyoti Chandekar, gone at 68. But her spirit, her work, and her artistry will live on forever.